If your IGI2 menu looks zoomed in, cropped, or some options are completely outside the screen when you switch to full screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can solve this problem, especially when you're playing IGI2 at resolutions like 1366 by 768, 1600 by 900, or even 1920 by 1080. So, let's fix it. First, completely close IGI2. Now go to your IGI2 installation folder and find the game's executable file. Right-click on the IGI2 executable and select Properties. Now open the Compatibility tab. Here, click on Change High DPI Settings. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Enable this option and from the drop-down menu, select Application. Then click OK. Before closing the Properties window, I also recommend enabling Run this program in compatibility mode. For this is enabled and set it to Windows 7. And finally, enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch IGI2 again and switch to full screen mode. As you can see, the menu should now fit the screen properly, instead of being unnecessarily zoomed in or cut off. If you're still experiencing the same problem, there's one more thing you can try. Open Windows Display Settings and check your display scaling. If it's set to 125%, 150% or higher, temporarily change it to 100% and test IGI2 again. Keep in mind that you don't necessarily need to change your entire Windows scaling permanently. And that's it. Your old school IGI2 should now be much more comfortable to play on a modern display. If this fix worked for you, let me know in the comments which resolution you're using. 1366 by 768, 1920 by 1080, or something else. And if you're playing IGI2 in 2026, make sure to subscribe for more IGI2 fixes, mods, maps, multiplayer updates and tutorials.